So there's a small problem with these drawers. The customer's doing a remodel, and the remodel is going to make the built-in that 14 of these drawers go in about 2¼ inches shorter in depth, which means that the drawers, when they're installed, are going to be about that much too long. So I have to cut off about 2½ inches off each one and put them back together and get them back to them. So these drawers are about 75 years old, and the hardest part is getting the bottom off. Some of them come apart pretty easy, and others are just less than easy. Next, the job is to peel off all the contact paper on the bottoms. It's been there since 1952, and 1962, and 1978. I'm willing to bet there's some from 1990 there too. I used the bandsaw to cut the backs off. After this, I found it was easier to not use the miter gauge and just zip it off. And I managed to keep all of my fingers. With that being done, a little bit of hammer work popped off the old sides from the back. And all I had to do then was pull the nails. From there, it was over to the router table to cut the rabbet for the back. And then it's test fit the back, make sure it fits correctly. Clamp it together, of course. Check to make sure the bottom is going in the right way. And it should just slide in. Presto changeo. And, oh yeah, got to cut the bottom too. Mark it with the edge of the back with a little bit extra. And then pull it out and slice it off with the bandsaw, which has already got the setting from cutting off the back. With the bottom cut to the right size, reassembled everything, put in nails in the side. And then you take 3 nails and secure the bottom to the back. And the last thing is to check to make sure everything's square, which it should be. And all I have to do then is repeat the process 13 more times. now if I could only work this fast every day without having to drink 8 cups of coffee in the morning. Ah, geez. I know it was here somewhere.